How can we bring nature to the grounds?
Yeah, how can we bring nature to you? Because sometimes it's hard for you to get out and enjoy the nature.
We can't go out that way.
Right? So they want to include a bit of video. So this is a camera that actually takes 360-degree video. So it's getting all of us right now.
Oh, isn't that nice?
Yeah.
We decided to catch nature and have them smell nature and to see nature.
And see nature. And what was one of the ways that we're going to let them see nature?
One of them was the VR glasses where we took videos.
We asked the grands, what do you want a closer look at outside your window? And what was one of the main things they said they wanted a closer look at?
Birds and feathers.
Birds and feathers. And so you chose Bobby's bird feeder. Do you think that your video is going to bring the grands joy?
Yeah.
Do you think it's going to make them happy?
I think so.
Do you think they're going to feel closer to nature when they put on those glasses and they sit outside Bobby's bird feeder?
I really.
You really do? Yeah, I think so too. All right, so here we go. Let's put this in. So your location, you want to have the camera at the bottom of the Great Hill, right?
See the video, right?
Hold on one second. Can you give me 2 seconds? The next one we're going to think about is the weather. What kind of weather do you want?
Too many cars.
Do you want it to be snowy or do you want the snow to have melted?
Snow.
Upper elementary or just lower elementary?
That's low.
What time of day do you want to film us rolling down the snowy hill? Do you want it to be during recess? Do you want it to be first thing in the morning?
Recess.
Recess, okay. Oh, did you press it again? Okay. When you're done,
all the way up, turn on one more.
will you, when you're finished, will you, just press the red button. Where did you film?
Where we're sitting right now, which is
What's it called?
Great Lawn.
Oh, the Great Lawn! So it's right where we're sitting right now. When we went up to ask the grands some of the things that they wanted a closer look at out their window, one of them was someone who didn't have legs. She wanted to be able to see something. Harriet. She wanted to be able to see something because she can't.
The ground.
She wanted to be able to see the ground. Do you think that your video will help her see the ground if she puts on the glasses?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's so close to the ground.
It's so close to the ground. And do you think that when they put on those VR glasses and see your video, do you think it's going to bring the grands joy?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's going to bring them joy?
Because they can really be outside.
It's like they can be really outside, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, which is what they wanted a closer look at.
Yeah. Outside.
Oh, look at the geese! They're so close!
Oh yeah, oh wow.
Oh, wow.
Alright, we're looking to whack.
Where did you film?
Making water.
Do you think that your video and your friends' videos, and when they put on the glasses, like if Sheila puts on the glasses, do you think that it's going to bring them joy? Why do you think it's going to bring them joy?
Because we think their friends are going outside. We're not going outside, but that's where we're going.
It kind of feels like they're going outside, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. Maple water number 1.
Can you get is mine filled up yet?
No, but it will be just a second. Look at the one machine. Because I didn't think to bring another one.
I don't have a cup of time.
And I always want to thank Team Community Life for getting everybody down here. Thank you. I had ordered 100 pancakes. We got 220 pancakes today. So that speaks to the kind of person Dan is. Thank you, Dan.
I took 3 groups upstairs yesterday to talk about and design the space for the museum. And we made we made
The room.
some lists about all the different things that we need to do to get the library ready for our VR museum. So, if you remember what some of those things are, can I see a phone?
There's the school one. So I kind of want you to see this one. I
It's like an old sanctuary.
We have so many crystals. Hi,
Maybe we
did. So I have to teach somebody else.
It looks like crystals.
So let me see.
That's why I love it so much.
The ground floor. We met at the solarium.
It's like the dirt and the concrete. Takes me there, Kai. I love it.
Lost workshop is a secret. We bang rocks. It sounds like a drum. When I'm there, I feel happy with Scarlet. The lost workshop.
Why did you choose Bobby's bird feeder?
Because I really have enjoyed birds this year.
Yeah, you have. What's your favorite bird?
I think mine's like a blue jay, a cardinal, or goldfinch, or a crow, or a northern woodpecker.
That's a lot of
One
really
those
beautiful
five.
birds. One of those five, depending on the day.